Hi there, Spark fans. Rob Reynolds here. If you're a regular SparkFun visitor, you may be getting a little tired of hearing me talk about this Qwiic system. Well, you're going to hear about it some more. Because, listen, after years upon years of having to solder things together simply to prototype, it is so nice just to be able to plug in components, test, unplug, and try something new in less time than it used to take to get the soldering station up to temp. Now I can hear you asking, gee Rob, what exciting news do you have about the Qwiic system this week? Well, I'll tell you. This week we are proud to introduce the new SparkFun Qwiic Pro kit. The Qwiic Pro kit contains everything you need to get up and running. The brains of the operation here is the SparkFun RedBoard Turbo, a nice upgrade from the usual 8-bit 16 MHz microcontroller. The Turbo hosts an AT-SAMD21G18, an ARM Cortex-M0 Plus 32-bit microcontroller that can run at up to 48 MHz. For input, the kit has three components. First, there's the Qwiic joystick, offering 1024 steps on both the X and Y axes, and a select button when the joystick is pressed. Next up is the Qwiic proximity sensor with a range of up to 20 centimeters. Finally, there's the Qwiic accelerometer, a solid-state triple-axis accelerometer with 12-bit resolution. On the output side, we've included the Qwiic OLED, a 64 by 48 pixel white and black display for text and simple graphic output. Add to that a half dozen Qwiic cables of varying sizes and a reversible USB 8 or reversible micro B cable, and you've got a complete setup. Wait, did you say reversible A to reversible micro B? That's right, friends. No more wondering which side is up on your USB cables, because this one works both ways, on both ends, so you're always right. Won't that be a nice feeling? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put together all the components of the kit, upload code to it, and be playing a Pong game in real time. Are you ready? So let's see. We'll probably want to use the accelerometer with our hand. So put that together with a long cable. We'll run that to our display screen so we can see our Pong game playing. Let's see, we'll use this one, the 200 millimeter cable here. We can run that to our distance sensor. From there, let's go out this way. Even though we won't use it immediately, we'll throw this component in too, just because we can. From here, come out this side, plug into our board. Our code is uploaded. If we reset this, we've got Pong. Oh, I should be playing. Oh, lost already. Okay, let's see, which one does this control? Nope. I guess that controls the other one. Okay, whoa, where's this one? Okay. All right. I said putting it together was easy. I didn't say anything about playing Pong using a proximity sensor and an accelerometer. Wait, nope. Okay, I'll work on that part, but you get the idea. So jump into the Qwiic environment of the I2C universe with the SparkFun Qwiic Pro kit. Pick up yours over at sparkfun.com, and happy hacking! Hi there. Good start, good start. With the SparkFun Pro kit. What's it called? SparkFun Pro Qwiic? Qwiic Pro? Well, no wonder, this guy's twisted. That's why I was losing on that side. There we go. Oh, there we go, there we go. Nope.